Breath work feel. Join army. Training. I cannot help but sit here thinking about you, about us, and how you we completely changed my wardle. We spent so long trying to find the right words to express how I feel, but words seems to fall short when it comes to deserving the depth of my life for you. Still, I want to try because you. I deserve to know just how much you mean to me from the moment you walked into my life. Everything felt different, brighter, Vramri more alive. It is like my heart woke up from a long sleep and suddenly it was biting with a purpose. That purpose was you. I never truly understood what a people meant when they talked about soulmate. United, I meet you now. It feels like you were made from me and I was made from you. I love you, everything about you, the way you are eyes light up when you are passionate about you, something the sound of your letter which feels like music to my souls, and the way you make me feel safe, loved just be being near me. You are more than beautiful on the outside. You are heart, you are mind, you are souls. Everything about you is breathing. You are sense me at my best and the worst, and yet the steps you hold my hand and remind me that I am never alone. You believe in my even when I struggle to believe in myself. You make me wanted to be a better person, not because you ask me, but because I want to be the best versions of myself for every day. With you feels like a gift. I find myself feeling a more in love with you. With your kindnesses, you are strength, you are senses of hammering, and you are heart. You were you are we become my home, my safe place, and my greatest adventure all it once. I want to spend me with life making you as a happy as you make me. I wanted be reasons you smash the shooter were on white gates toy and the persons can always counting me. I want to share all of life moments with you, the big ones, the smiles one and everything in between. I promise to you are facilitating and unconditionally through the every year and low. I promise to support you to crash and you are never stop showing you just how much you mean to me. You are my heart, you are my everything, you are my endless is grateful get that I get to love you no matter where life takes us. One things will never change. You will always be there, love of my life. Sometimes I think of you, my better half, but you, what are you? Have taught me that we do not complete each other. We are two wholes in divinity, perfect in your own ways, but has brought us together so that we can share on our profession with each other. You have made me see a better half as true partner, local and equal. I am nothing special, just a commoning man with thoughts and always a life through are not decoded to me. Name will be soon be forget, but not a respect. I have success as grilling as anyone who's are lived. I love another with all my heart and souls, and me this always been enough. Text me on my WhatsApp. I only see for a second, but it mind me day for kindnesses and super care always making me wonderful. What I life I have been without you are my heart and love you are internally. There are only 2 minute times that I want to be with now forever. Heart for you will never back. My souls for you will never fade. My love for you will never end. Love, I love you. I could be anything. I would be your tear, so I would be brown on your eyes. Life down, you check and die on your lips. When you need someone, be there. I will be right there, your side. I always, when looked at my past, say something missing, and then reason it was so bad. You are my prisonating. I look at you, my future, and you complete me. Is one day is finally came to the special someone that loved me toy, and that special someone was life has never been better. Thank to you, sweetheart, to the love of my life. I wish you have to the best of today perfections in all set you are hard to do stays great and lovely for me dear I love you sometimes I wonder if I'm worth fighting for then I look at you I am ready for war as long as there is me heart will be the best in where to keep heart unbroken a promise I am willing keep I love you dropped a tear in the oceans the day that I find it is that all steps loving you I love you as I have never loved another every will be again I love you with all that I am and all that will ever when you feel alone just another space between your fingers and remember that way are my finger fit perfectly I wish you are more than you wish me for the day my love if we could anything I would be your tears I am brown in your eyes